Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you about a little issue that sometimes comes up on the Evolution golf bag attachments. We have a lot of people say that sometimes these belts get stuck and they won't pull out. So we're going to show you how to fix that issue. Alright, so this is how the belts mount onto the golf cart. And as you can see right here, the plastic is kind of jammed together in there. So if this plastic presses down too hard on the belt, it just makes it where the belt gets stuck and will go all the way back in, so then it doesn't want to pull out. So we're going to show you how to trim that plastic and make it where these belts work every time. You're just going to need two tools here, a 17mm wrench, and we got a drill with a 17mm socket. And then you're going to need some heavy duty scissors, which I'll show you in the next step. So we're just going to start by taking these two belts off. Alright, here we go. So we got your two belts here, and I'm going to show you how to trim these. That way you don't have to worry about them getting stuck. So here we got your belts. I'm going to go ahead and trim this DOT thing off because really you're not using them for people. So it's just being used for the golf bag. So we're just going to cut that off of there. That makes it where the belt slides back and doesn't get stuck. And then next we're going to trim this piece of plastic so it's not getting smashed together with the other one. So you just take a good heavy duty pair of shears, cut right there. Then you're going to fold this back. Be careful because this plastic is kind of sharp. Alright, so that's one right there. You can see it's very opened up, and that belt's going to go back all the way every single time. So we're going to do the same thing. This one. All right, so we got them both trimmed. Now we're going to mount them back on the golf cart. Alright, so we got your belts back on, and as you can see, I'll pull both of these out so you can see in there, no more plastic to get hung up. So these belts are going to go all the way back every single time, and you won't have an issue with them not wanting to come out. Thanks for watching.